Folks, listen up. Has your computer crashed? Now you can't pay your online bills, you don't have access to your critical online accounts, or you can't access those important files to finish that project for tomorrow morning. That can be a headache. My personal recommendation? Call the Compu-Doctors for any computer services or repairs. They are trustworthy, they are reliable, and they can get your computer fixed quickly. These days, we all rely on computers for everything, from work to education to entertainment, and even as a socializing tool. So when your computer crashes, it can disrupt your life, and your friendly technicians at Compu-Doctors can help you pick up the pieces and put them together. So go ahead and contact them for your computer upgrades, computer repairs, software troubleshooting, virus removal, printer installation, network configuration, or for any other issue, and they will service your computers at an affordable price. The contact information is at the bottom of the screen, and best of all, they have a cool pledge. If they can't fix it, you don't pay for it.